Hi, I'm Joshua, a blockchain and software developer with 9 years of experience. I'm also a co-founder at Stanley Technology. It's my pleasure to share my knowledge about blockchain. Today we'll be discussing a very vital concept called DeFi. And in this video, you will be introduced to the concept of DeFi, the element of DeFi, the DeFi and CeFi, the how to use DeFi platforms, and how to start creating your own DeFi project. I'm pretty sure learning all these things will give you the opportunity that is in blockchain world today. And I'm pretty sure after this video, you have confidence to invest and start trading with DeFi platform. So let's get started. What is DeFi? DeFi is an acronym, decentralized finance. It's an emerging financial technology based on secure distributed ledgers, similar to that of cryptocurrencies. As we are all aware, there are lots of cryptocurrency out there. For example, we have BTC, we have ETH, we have BNB, TRX, and the likes. So all these cryptocurrencies are deployed on blockchain, same as DeFi. DeFi are also applications that are deployed on blockchain. It is powered by blockchain technology. So what is the key element of DeFi? DeFi gives its users a lot of opportunity to make a transaction globally. And here are the list of elements that makes it a decentralized system. Number one is removal of third-party control. As we are all aware that in a traditional financial institute, before you can transact, you have to pass through a third party. It's either you use a platform or you use your bank. And all these platform or bank that we are using have their rules that we have to follow. And that is why using DeFi is a great advantage for us in this present age. So another element of DeFi is low transaction fee. Yeah, as we all know, going to third party will always attract a fee before you can make any transaction. And because it is decentralized, that has already been removed. So if you are to pay transaction fee, then it will be as low as it will be so low compared to the centralized traditional financial technology. And another element is rights of ownership. Yes, so in decentralized finance, everyone has rights over his assets. What we mean by asset is that digital currency that you hold. So you have right over it, be it NFTs, be it fungible and non fungible token, or any type of digital asset, you have right over it. So there is no kind of restriction that is on your assets, and you are in full control over your assets. So right of ownership is one of the features and elements of DeFi. Another thing is anonymity. Anonymity is so important in DeFi because once there are records that can track who is sending and where you are sending funds to, then it's no more decentralized. So the essence of DeFi is to make sure your transaction are in form of anonymous. You are only transacting with your wallet, and nobody is knowing who owns the wallet or who owns the wallet that the of the recipient. So another thing is speed. Speed is very crucial element in DeFi, and the reason is there is no third party giving rules before you send your transaction. In the normal traditional financial institute, we see that before you send money, especially globally, you have to fill out of some forms, state the reason for the transaction, and meet all the conditions and requirements for sending funds. But in terms of DeFi, it's not like that, and that takes a lot of time. The process at which you take before you meet up with all the requirements and rules is it's time wasting. But in terms of DeFi, it is quite instant because the transaction is being processed automatically by a set of coded instructions. So, looking at the DeFi, we also need to see another concept in DeFi, which is CeFi. I'll be talking about CeFi while I was introducing the DeFi. And what is CeFi? CeFi is acronyms centralized finance. It's a technology that executes all crypto trading orders routed through a central authority and protocols. In terms of CeFi, there is central authority that controls and oversees every transaction you are performing on your fund, and that alone gives them power to determine what to do with your fund. And your fund can also even be hijacked if care is not taken. And the technology behind CeFi is database. It's what we call database. And the technology behind DeFi is blockchain. So the key difference between DeFi and CeFi is the authority and the control over transaction. So not wasting much of our time because we have a lot of things to learn about DeFi. So let's see some of those platforms that is available for us to trade with on those DeFi platforms that we can trade on. Number one is PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is a decentralized platform that allows you to exchange your digital assets from one asset to another, and in a secure way. Unlike the normal traditional finance institute, before you can exchange your currency to another currency, it has to take through some process and policy. But in terms of DeFi, it's quite different. So PancakeSwap uses Binance Chain Network for you to use their platform. So we have PancakeSwap. They are also decentralized platform that allows you to trade your digital assets using Ethereum network. So there are lots more of DeFi platform that allows you to trade your cryptocurrency based on what you are trying to do. So there are some other protocols, or let me say other platforms that allows you to trade in a decentralized way, and we call those applications DApps. So DApp means decentralized application. So there are some financial institutes that use blockchain to develop their finances, to manage their wallet, to manage loan, to give to allow you to buy share. And in blockchain we use different terms for those things. So in blockchain, if you want to borrow, if you want to lend out money, we don't call it uh, lending, we call it farm yielding. And family is just a process at which you as an investor will uh, will agree to lend out your money for a certain period of time and get interest. So there are a lot of projects that have been deployed on DeFi, such as flash loan, such as NFT, such as stablecoin and tokens. So you using DeFi gives you almost virtually opportunity anybody using central financial system also have, because every centralized system is now being uh, developed to be decentralized because of its great features. So how can you get started in trading on DeFi projects? So the first thing you need to do is to own a wallet. Yeah, you have to own a wallet. How do you own a wallet? So to own a wallet, you download. There are different type of wallets. So if it is for Ethereum, there are wallet that works on Ethereum. If it's for Binance Smart Chain, they have their own wallet. But list of wallet that you can use is MetaMask, Trust Wallet, uh, uh, W Wallet, and Binance Smart Chain wallet. There are a lot of wallets anyway. So this wallet will give you opportunity to own your digital asset without having any third party influence. And when you own your wallet, you buy a cryptocurrency which will be sent to your wallet address. Your your address is just like your account number you give to the seller, and once it's sent to you, you transfer funds to the seller. And once you own it, then you can start trading on decentralized platform. So if you want to invest in cryptocurrency in DeFi projects, you can, when you have your fund maybe in BNB or in any asset which are major coins. We have major coins. So we have the Ethereum, we have the BNB, and we have Tron and the likes. Then you can go to any DHEX, which is decentralized exchange, to convert your money to the token. So while investing, you have to take note that every DeFi project is managed by a code written in smart contract. So smart contract is the protocol that manages every DeFi application. And so before you invest in any project, make sure you read through the smart contract. See if the smart contract is secure for you to trade, because if it's not secure, probably you might be scammed of your token, and that might discourage you. And that is why most DeFi platforms that allows you to trade or invest will tell you that they are trustless platform, which means your asset is solely depend on you, on your decision. So anytime you invest, know that the smart contract is the one managing every transaction you are making, and based on what is written in the smart contract is what you should determine if you invest or not. And looking at other way around, how can decentralized system have edge over centralized finance? The simple answer is, in DeFi, you have ability to tell what and how you want your fun to be.
Have you ever dreamed of owning a land on the Metaverse? Here's your chance. Bliss Token and Global Digital City presents Winmetaland Contest. Yes, you heard it right. Bliss Token and Global Digital City has brought you a contest through which you will not only get a chance to participate in a virtual land contest, but you can also get a golden opportunity to experiment with new adventures and new technology. By winning this contest, 75 winners every month will get a chance to win free land on Bliss Token backed Metaverse Global Digital City. Also, 1,000 contestants will get free 50 Bliss tokens free every month. To participate in the contest, first you have to visit our website, www.winmetaland.com, and sign up. After that, you have to enter the Bliss Token wallet address. To get your Bliss Token wallet address, you will have to create an account on Bliss Token website. That is www.blisstoken.io. After doing this, the more you tell people about this contest through Facebook and social media and engage with them and post about it, the more your entries you will get, which will increase your chance of winning. Now, here is the exciting part. We have a special feature called Refer a Friend. The more you refer, the more chances you earn. The first contest will end on the 15th of October. This contest will run every month, so even if you don't win the first, you will still have the chance of winning upcoming contests. Winners will get access to their virtual lands from the 15th of December this year. So, what are you waiting for? Participate and try your luck and become part of Global Digital City.